Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chinese with Charlie. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to say a little, some in Chinese. And there are two ways of saying that. The first one is 一点儿, 一点儿. The second one is 有一点儿, 有一点儿. And sometimes you don't have to say this 一 here. You can just say 有点儿, 有点儿. Alright, so what's the difference between 一点儿 and 有点儿? Here we have one simple rule. After 一点儿, we need to use a noun. And after 有一点儿, we need to use an adjective. Alright, so now let's look at these four sentences here. The first one, it's a bit cold today. So after a bit, we have cold. That's an adjective. Cold in Chinese is 冷. So since this is an adjective and we need to translate a bit, then we choose this one, 有一点儿. Then the sentence would be 今天有一点儿冷, which means it's a bit cold today. And of course, you don't have to say this 一 here. You can just say 今天有点儿冷, 今天有点儿冷. Alright? Now let's look at the second one. I can speak some Chinese. So here, some, a little, a bit. After some, we have Chinese, meaning Chinese language. So Chinese language is a noun. That's why we need to use 一点儿. So 我会说一点儿汉语. 我会说一点儿汉语. 会 means to be able to do something. 说 means to speak. And since we have 汉语, Chinese language here, that's a noun. We need to use 一点儿. Alright, now let's look at the third one. Give me some water. And you can see after some, we have water, another noun. That's why we have to use 一点儿, 一点儿. So 给我一点儿水, 给我一点儿水, meaning give me some water. 给 means to give, 水 means water. 一点儿水, some water, a little water. Okay, now let's look at the last one. I have some money. So after some or a little bit, we have money. Money is also a noun. So we would also use 一点儿 here instead of 有点儿. So 我有一点儿钱. 我有一点儿钱. Alright? And if you have noticed, here we have 有一点儿, 有一点儿. And please pay attention, this 有一点儿 does not equal this 有一点儿, because this 有一点儿 has two parts. 有 means to have, 一点儿 means a little. So 有一点儿 means have a little. But this 有一点儿, it's already a chunk. We cannot separate them. So this 有一点儿 is used in front of an adjective, meaning a little bit. Okay, let's wrap it up one more time. If you have a noun and you want to say a little bit something, then you use 一点儿. If you have an adjective and you want to say a little bit how, then you say 有一点儿 or 有点儿. And we do have a special situation when you want to say I have a little something. For example, 我有一点儿钱. I have some money. And here in this special situation, you have 有一点儿 together, and it seems to be the same as this one, but they're not the same, because here as have something, it has two separate parts. 有 to have, 一点儿 a bit, have a bit, something. But this one is already a complete part. We do not separate them, and it means a little bit how. Alright, that's all for today's video. Hopefully my video was helpful to your Chinese learning. If you would like to learn more about Chinese or Chinese culture, please subscribe my channel and share this video to someone who is also learning Chinese. See you next time. Bye!